Oh! Wow. Catastrophic brake failure. This is video you haven't seen. Catastrophic brake failure leads to this catastrophic barrel rolling crash into the runoff in turn 4 through the sand trap.
Vem batendo porta com o Guilherme Sinclair, roda com roda, espelho com espelho, tem forward na reta de Taruma, tem forward, e aí já deu besteira. E aí já tem uma panca muito forte com o Thiago Tambasco.
Got to say grateful thanks for Paul for getting me involved as Mark Beattie goes across the track. Ferriday collects Luke Simmons, he's out of the lead, he's on the grass. And like Nick Bridgman will have to recover. He looks across, I think, and comes back on track. It's all clear at the moment. 3-car gang. There's contact there. Two base, and that's John Mickle. Very nasty consequences. Wait, let's have a look from Will Gibson's perspective. He was right behind those three. Just tagged James Newbury's car. That's the worst flip I've ever seen.
Now let's see if we can work out what happened there. Oh my goodness me, it was a huge one. 1, 2, 3.5, and ending up upside down.
Oh la 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 la. Oh. And Ed Barati, and further back behind yesterday's race winner Akira Aida up along the pit wall. He's had this perpetual battle with the Lamborghini, and it's ended very badly indeed. Contact on the start finish straight. A few other cars immensely lucky.
Position 21 in car number 21 in position 2 at the moment, and running wide margin. Oh my goodness!
Big accident for Ramsey there.
Massive accidents at the chicane.
Crossed up, what's going to happen? Let's have a look. Going sideways a little bit,
That's so unlucky.
I'll tell you what,
Ouch.
he stayed with it a long time.
Oh, goodness me. And that
McLaren squad, and look at this, it is an absolutely massive shunt, and the car shed all the bodywork immediately.
100キロぐらいありますか、速度差。
100キロはないんですけどね、70キロ。
70キロぐらい。
はい。
トークラッシュに今なってしまいます。
佐藤が前、そして斉藤大吾が後ろから追い上げる。先ほどはオーバーテイク取りを見せた。さあ今度はどういうことになりますか。川端が見えてきてぴったりと斉藤大吾、うわークラッシュ、うわーものすごいクラッシュ。
Evans leading last.
Yellow flag is out. That's down at turn 6, so that's a fast part of the track.
Yeah, it's another crash.
It's a Jaguar. It's Sam Bird. Sam Bird has crashed out. Oh no, that's absolutely huge. Sebastian Buemi into the side of him. Red flag is immediately out on lap 9. And
Links van de vloot, 400.
But everybody continues, so no harm, no foul. This, on the other hand, was huge. That was John.
Look at that, lots of collision. Look, oh my Lord, oh my gosh! Holy crap, lots of carnage right there.
The outside, Leon Madsen going very wide indeed. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Jason Doyle all out of shape there. Thompson nearly running into the back of him. Oh, he's off. Oh!
Ford's going to, and that would be absolutely huge for him. Zach Decker, oh, what has happened? He went absolutely flying.
See losses there. We've got Will Orton in the mix as well. Nelson King in third place, and that is a straight on. Oh, loss of brakes was that.
For McLaren, I think that's Rosenquist. Felix Rosenquist with more damage in the back. The track is total chaos.
Looks like Devlin DiFrancesco. Here we are on board with Dev now. And then he just sits and waits.
Oh. Montenegro. ¡Oh! Se pegó. Piñón, cómo salió.
Antes lo que fuera.
5 segundos 87, Moreno.
Uy, no. Qué Piñón. Ochoa con Pineda.
There a little bit. The car's just slightly wide. Pushes up to the outside. And just brutal impact.
And it looks like Jared Thomas has eased his way onto the right-hand side of the track. For a moment, he took the lead. Here comes Noaker as well in the number 13, the black and white car. Oh, there's a spin. Matthew Dirks has gone around. This is going to be another big one. Huge incident. Huge incident.
That's Woody Hyman.
Hyman getting kicked around. All kinds of debris.
Sean Tom, who leads at Nick I in second place, and now coming under the attention of Paul Poon. Oh, goodness me.
Big off in the background, and Ryan Wong is involved in it as well. Red flag straight away. Race stopped because we've got 4 cars involved.
Booth Amos riding over the curb and going straight through the gravel trap and nearly over it as well. Luckily he got back to his feet.
Tiago Martínez, que por el momento le alcanza. ¡Oh! Y atención, míralo, Torrisi. Torrisi, un vuelco tremendo vuelco de Torrisi. Tremendo vuelco de Torrisi.
Antroje vietoje esantis Mercedes Statella ir Porsche numeris 17, trečioje vietoje esantis jie važiuoja beveik oba.
Oh! Kas čia atsitiko? O Dieve, prašau, siūskite kaip įmanoma greičiau visas pagalbas į posūkį.
Lyderis.
Tautvydas Rudokas nesuvaldo savo Porsche automobilio ir dabar yra Code 60, turėtų būti keliamos ir raudonos vėliavos, kadangi automobilis patyrė beprotiškai.
On the inside, and a tip. Oh, right. That's really unfortunate. Because, oh my goodness, head on.
We're green. Geneva's driving over the center line. Hang on, Geneva. Hang on. No! Oh, she gets over. Oh. Overhaling. Dobbelt overhaling. Går fra en 3'er til en 1'er. Der er lidt ballade nede bagved. Og så er der ballade længere tilbage. Nej. Den blev sat af, den der.
Has he made the move? Oh, he's
look at this!
Oh my gosh! Wow! That is absolutely bonkers!
Went on. So there is Callum Davis with liquid coming out of the front, and he gets on his own liquid and can't stop, and kaboom!
Yeah, he already had a cooler. That's a
hard
very nasty looking shot.
Down on the equator racetrack, trying to get that car to turn off the car. Oh, Michael Hine! Big hit! Michael Hine, Kevin Graham gonna launch and slip! Up and over goes Kevin Graham!
A disputa tá sensacional aqui em Goiânia. E aí tem toque aqui na reta, Nelsinho Casagrande, Cacá Bueno, uma batida forte.
Agora esquece bandeira vermelha, fim de prova.
Pneu voando, os carros vêm ali a alta velocidade.
Massa, de novo acertando o pneu. Que cara.
Teammate there immediately just to open up the first turn for him! There for a down! Oh, big...
Is it necessary? Maybe. It's a shame for those guys. We said early on in the race they rolled the dice. Oh, big impact there. Who's that? Is that the team?
Oh my God! Oh my Jesus!
Really sketchy moment.
And Jonas as well. I think there's fluid on the circuit.
It has to be. Oh, those bikes. Oh, I'm telling you.
Oh, it's a pity about that one. And bikes going down a plenty. Oh, a lot of bikes have gone down there. Oh, and getting taken out there in a big way. One of the riders, a bike going out under him.
Quedar estacionado en la entrada a bajarse del coche, sí, el famoso Chapulín de la Panamericana, rápido a quitarse de encima el vehículo porque vientos con la maniobra, se sale a tiempo el Chapulín, deja que el